Hi guys, I'm Saeed on Travelmakers TV. I'm with you with another video about Amsterdam. So from Dam Square to Muntplein, it is actually I'm walking toward south. So direction is from Dam Square to south of Amsterdam. At the moment, I'm at Dam Square. So from Dam Square, I'm going to walk south on Rokin. Yes, here we are, Rokin. Yeah, but very beautiful street, very wide ones. One of the streets that I mostly buy.
Yeah, we have this guy. We just have to bring him.
From this alley, you can walk to Kalverstraat, Kalver Street. Yeah, from there.
Ja, maar ik denk dat hier nog wel eventjes goed is, want dit is zo groot.
Yes, here always, and so Rokin, you can see the name of this street. Also here you can walk to Kalvers from here. Yeah, I'm going to cross the street. I think, there is beautiful view on the other side. Here, always in Amsterdam, in the Netherlands, actually you can see, a bicycle path and also the other tracks are for tram, and here is also cars path. Yeah, it's almost a spring in Amsterdam, not yet, but the weather is changing. It's not that cool, still cool, but not that cool. Fortunately, a very beautiful sunny day in March, and it's very enjoyable just to walk and see the vibes. Yes, here is I call them high point. It's a nice view. Not here, I will show you, but here if you want to take a boat to see Amsterdam from another view, I'm going to record also a video from boat, but if you want, you can take the boat here. Here is this point is a junction from Rokin and for ouderbrugsteeg. Ouderbrugsteeg. Long bridge alley, something like this. A little stupid to, I wanted to say it's a little bit stupid to translate the name of the street because names are names, but I want to give you an idea, a view about the names. I thought maybe it's nice. Can you see these bicycles? They were in the water, and there are like boats that clean bottom of the water every month, every 2 months, and they just brought them out from the water. It's it's funny, strange. Drunk people. I think this is something that you can expect from drunk people. It's a nice view here. I like it. Yes, if you want to take a boat, you have to pay 13 euros for adult and 9 euros for child. I think it's like 1 hour taking boat, something like this. Not sure.
Machst du?
Anstellen.
Quatsch. Ist das jetzt ein?
Now I will walk on this street, ouderbrugsteeg. Ouderbrugsteeg on this street. I will walk to Amsterdam or Muntplein. Also Amsterdam is better because in this video also maybe it's a little bit funny, but I wanted to talk with you because about culture shock that I saw from here, because I told you I'm not Dutch, but like I'm living in Netherlands for 4 years now, and the first thing was not culture shock, but it was a little bit funny for me. Was I went to the toilet and I saw like a calendar and a lot of photos in the toilet, because originally I'm from Iran, and in Iran toilet is just toilet, you go there and you do something there, so it's just for this, and we don't hang a calendar and photos and stuff in the toilet. But here in the Netherlands it's very funny, because when you're in toilet and you want to pee, you see like 7-8 different photos are staring at you, and it's a little bit strange for me. It was a little bit strange for me, but nice. It was I think it was a funny thing I wanted to show you. I wanted to share with you, so yes, we are in Amsterdam on a sunny day. Today is Saturday in March, Yeah, a very beautiful day. I was walking on Rokin, but now I'm walking on another. The name is another street, but it's another side of Rokin actually. And yeah, you can see happy people, a lot of happy people here. And yeah. Yeah, the name of this street is ouderbrugsteeg, but I will leave also the name on video. And name of this street is Nieuwendijk. Nieuwendijk. And yeah, this is the street. And now we are walking to Muntplein, or yeah, Mint Square. Yeah, I'm going to finish this video here, Rokin, on a sunny day. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, leave me comments and let me, if you have any suggestion, any like things that you didn't like about this video for improving the channel, just let me know. Love you very much and see you in next video. Bye.